Okay, put a new wiring harness on my heater motor here, and basically I got the new wires in there, and now I have to spice these together. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm going to spice basically red one on the red one, black one on the black one, purple one on the purple one. Now if you noticed, the blue wire and purple wire goes to the blower motor has been changed, because it used to be orange and purple. So now you got to know that the blue one, is the orange one, and the purple one's still purple. But that's what happens when you get stuff made in China. They change a little something each time, and they use whatever they got. So that's the difference here. All right, I'll be back. We'll put it back like that. We just decided to go ahead and put a wire cap on this one. We had this guy, the little blue one there, but when I crimped it, one wire wasn't in, so it's just tight under here. You gotta be careful. You gotta keep your eye. But I used that type of connector there. I'm gonna try that and see how that works. Looks like a pretty nice little outfit, but we'll see. Sure is easy to work with. All right, everything seems to be wired. Let's see if it'll fire up. Well, you can hear my blower working. And, well, it was working, it just quit. Now I wonder what happened. It's a funny outfit. Okay, I removed that little Japanese, not Japanese, but Chinese connector. This little guy, and I was looking how damaged it was in there. It kind of fell apart. And I said, well, that's no good. So there's a possibility that maybe the wire went in a different way than I thought. But I only seen one way for it to go in. But anyway, it doesn't work anymore. And so I'm not sure about these connectors. Maybe they work good on a light wire or something. Or it might be a different way, I don't know. But that wire should go right in between that metal and that metal pushes back up against the wire and holds everything in there. That's what it looks like. But I don't know. But anyway, I just went ahead and put wire caps on it. I'm going to tape those, and I'll put the cover back on. Blower's working now. So it seems like it's working again. But so I'm kind of a little confused about it. But maybe there's a little delay on it or something, because it didn't really do anything but check the fuses, and the fuses were all good, then just came back on. So I'm a little bit confused about it. We'll find out what it is. If you can hear it, running fine. taped them all up, and they see them all taped where they don't move, or neither can they spark each other. Now let's see if it comes back on. Now this is the cover, it goes back on. And I'm going to put it back in, but you see, we're not going to use that hole right there anymore. It's too hard to get to. But we'll use that one and that one. So those two there we will use. Okay, she's back in there, up in there. See the cover, and everything's back the way it should be. And now we'll fire her back up, and we'll see she's still working. Okay, she fired up, she's working. So, hopefully it'll continue to work. Now I get all my stuff put away. I got scattered out here. And we're calling it in. Alright, bye. From here, saying goodbye from Pastor Harry's Backyard Chat.